Okay, so we need to go over a few things here in this one that are kind of important. Okay. Um, if you're not seeing the side, you need to find this and make sure it says all markup. And you need to make sure you have this because you didn't do uh, most of the changes. So I'm going to go through a portion of this, but you need to make the changes. The first and foremost is I'm going to select edit, select all, and then I'm going to go to home here. And you see these right here? You're over here on this one. You need to be on this one. It's not full page, it's left flush. Okay. And then go to view and make sure that your ruler is checked. That brings up this ruler. That's how you easily fix your citations. So these are all done correctly. You just need to take them and slide them into the half mark. Okay? No big gaps or anything. All right? Um, so you see all the blue lines. Some of them I like, some of them I don't. Um, and we'll go from there. So this is fine until you get to here. Um, I want you to notice that, okay, Schumacher did it, but is this paraphrased? If not, you need to have quotations around it, and you need to have here, and you need to paraphrase as much as possible. Okay, so when you come down here, you don't need these because it's one article. So stop doing so much work. Okay, I'm gonna leave that alone. Got too many other things to do. There's too much space here. Purpose of the study, the word the, that's very good. And you're missing commas in your lists and all of them. Okay, so this is all good. But I already sent you this for I need it written like this, and then you can the rest of that's fine. Okay, but you see, you're taking out. That's much better. One result was that's it's either one result was or the result showed. Ed is third person. Everything is in third person. It happened in the past. Okay, made some adjustments here, but you have the why statement, and that video's in there. It's two sentences, and you need to get this right, and that's the end of this one. Then you come down here, and you have the same problem. Is that um, you need to take this right here, and you take your little ruler, that little up arrow, and slide it across. Okay, if when you do this, come on, I need new glasses. If both of them come across and everything goes, and you just grab this top arrow, which would be right here, and slide it over. So you need to fix those. This is not APA. At the beginning of the sentence, narrative, there are videos on this. There's a big gap here that needs to come out. Okay? Dakar, no comma. You basically copied and pasted and took some stuff out. So I'm just going to tell you, see, this Dakar and tablet, and I don't have a year here. Performed a study on every time. You use the same words every time. Performed a study on. It's not as important as you learning how to structure the thing and make sure it's correct. Okay? And then this is good, but there's no purpose statement. When you look at the purpose statement in your articles, it's either going to say the purpose of the study or the aim of the study. Generally comes right before your methods section. Okay? The study surveyed. So you didn't do it again right here, and I know I put that in the end. There were 180 Palestinian parents. No, there were 180 participants, period. The participants were 180 Palestinian parents, da 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 da. The results showed, I know I did this already, and there's no why statement, okay? And then you need to fix this just as we did at the top. You can keep doing all the other ones. It doesn't matter. You're not moving forward till you get this right. This class is to teach you how to write. It's not to get assignments done. You are very behind because you took the time. You need to focus in on this and only this and get it correct. If you can't figure out something, you need to reach out and tell me and let me know what you don't understand, and let's get it done. I mean, you're doing well and you're getting there, but it's got to be correct, or you're not learning anything in the long run. And you're going to be taking classes with Dr. E that you're going to be using all this stuff all the way through. And you need to have this down pat. And that's why I am the way I am. So let's get it done and let's get it fixed, but don't touch any other assignment until this is deemed as perfect. And then you're going to go back and fix all the other ones just like this one. All right, have a good day.